Well, Uber just made a massive update to both the driver app and the passenger app, and this completely changes the way that drivers and riders are going to interact with the app. So you don't want to miss this video. Please thumbs it up. And before I get started, I want to thank our sponsor, Solo. So Solo is the business app for drivers, and they have an incredible guaranteed pay feature where every single time you go out and drive, you're gonna get paid up to $37, $38 an hour. And right now, until the end of the month, we got a couple days left, they're gonna send you $15 for signing up totally for free anywhere in the country. If you wait until after the month, it goes down to 10. So sign up now for free, lock in that pay. They also help with taxes, driver earnings, help you make more money. It's a great app for drivers. And honestly, we're a partner with Solo and a lot of other really cool YouTubers are as well, including the Rideshare Guy. So Uber has officially rolled out its new safety toolkit. Uber began testing its safety center back in 2018. Because of what has been going on lately in cars and rides, a lot of drivers getting attacked, a lot of bad things, really bad things going on in cars. Uber, a lot of drivers protesting and striking because Uber's not really doing much about safety, driver safety and passenger safety. The city of London threatened to exile Uber over safety concerns. People are fed up. There was even one area that banned Uber completely. I think it was in South Africa or something, but the rideshare company announced today the overhaul of its safety toolkit, which now includes the ability to contact an ADT operator and text 911. This is huge. Your passengers might be texting 911 during the call if they're feeling, at danger. So this is really going to, in my opinion, diminish, I don't know. I mean, at the end of the day, if somebody's gonna want to do something crazy, they're gonna do something crazy. I think there needs to be cameras in the cars, honestly, like dash cams. Uber's looking to make that ride you just called a little bit safer with an updated safety toolkit. The company announced a redesigned version of the pre-existing. I hope drivers will have access to that too, not just passengers. Because drivers are just as much in danger. When someone uses the 911 feature, the Uber app will pre-populate the initial message with vehicle details, location, and destination. So yeah, you're being tracked. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the video there. Want to make this quick update. Check out Solo with their link down below to get your $15 if you do it right now till the end of the month, just by signing up and linking your gig account. Thanks for watching.